Hey everyone, welcome to this another Productivity Warrior interview. With us, Tangam is there. Tangam is a mechanical maintenance engineer from Madurai. He is struggling with waking up early. He's struggling with a lot of confusion in his life. But after jumping into our community, he became a wake up warrior and got 100% clarity on his goals and life. Tangam, first of all, congratulations to achieving all of this.
Thank you, Ramesh, for the opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah, how is your feelings? Now you're getting some results and you're being interviewed in this Productivity Warrior.
Yeah. First of all, thanks for the opportunity provided to introduce me
Mm,
uh, in this productivity journey.
mm,
And as you said, my name is Tangam. I am from Madurai.
mm,
I have two kids, and I'm a mechanical engineer graduated,
mm,
working in a silicon-based chemical
mm,
manufacturing company.
mm,
So the number one feeling, as you said, I feel in a I feel my life has reached a clarity.
mm,
So I have since being an engineer,
mm,
I thought I am handicapped in one circle of area, so I cannot
mm,
go and expand my wings.
mm,
But this productivity journey made me to achieve what and all can be add on for my
mm.
quality of life.
Awesome, awesome.
So
You got amazing results.
yeah,
Tell me what are the problems you are suffering with before you see this productivity empire?
yeah, that's a good question. Yes, actually, I used to think or procrastinate a lot of time
Mm,
by watching more videos, more
mm,
motivational videos.
mm,
So I just see myself and compare myself who is running in the same field,
mm,
where maybe I may be at a 60% or maybe somebody at 80%. How they are
mm,
attaining their goals and why what is
mm,
lacking with me.
mm,
So it was just like a bits and piece only.
mm,
So you get opportunity time also. We all of them had in March 20. We
mm,
were all stuck in the home for more than 100 days.
mm.
So that time also I had an urge to improve myself, not to focus on this COVID situation. Let us
Mm,
go in detail of my life, how to improve my life. This is the opportunity to work with my family also, personal life
mm,
also. So
mm,
everything was good, but there is no consistency. That is what I can say. So
mm,
content are there in my life. How I can improve? It is worldwide openly available. But
mm.
that content, how it's going to apply for me, whether it is okay or not, like this, I was just procrastination and there is no consistency.
Yes.
I learned a
Awesome.
lot.
Yes,
Yoga,
yes.
financial freedom, everything was in my
Mm,
part of my goal life, but
mm.
the consistency was missing. That is
Yes.
what the problem I
Yes.
faced.
Awesome. So
Yeah.
you found that you're even though you're trying a lot, even though you're watching a lot of motivational videos, even
Yeah.
though you're trying multiple things, but you're not able to get that clarity in your life, right? You're become handicapped without productivity, right?
Yes. Yes. Absolutely.
Okay, awesome. So now tell me, you come to my super productive bootcamp, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I
Boot
joined.
camp, what is that one thing that made you triggered? Yes, I want this. I want to start my productive journey. What is that one trigger point?
Yeah. Actually, while attending this boot camp, there was a 4 session for us. So
Mm,
while I was attending the fourth, I was continuously observing up to 3 sessions. While it
mm,
comes to the fourth session only, I thought that whether I will be consistent because my
mm,
entire journey was like consistency was not being a part of me. So
mm,
the only thing which stopped me is that whether I will be
mm,
consistent. See, forget about the value which we are going to
mm,
get from this,
mm,
which we are going to pay and get from this. But
mm,
I thought only thing is that I may not be a consistent person in
mm,
following this Ramesh bootcamp program. This is
mm,
what made me to stop. And
mm,
once I got a discussion with you over phone and I got the clarity,
mm.
then I decided, okay, let me give a try because I had tried everything in my self own improvement only. Let
Mm.
me get a mentor and I will also improve myself. Based on
Awesome.
your based on
Okay.
your discussion, I joined.
Okay. So you decided that I have tried everything, but nothing works. Let me
Yeah,
final try to this
yes,
productivity empire and to Ramesh Yadav, right?
sure. That is what I
Awesome. That is the best decision you have done in your life. Even I have seen in the bootcamp also, people are watching and taking notes and learning, but when it comes to take the next level journey, they don't because they're still confusing that whether it will help their problems or not. Right now,
correct.
I can easily say that it is a journey. It is completely a customized journey based on a person to person, right? Now
Right.
tell me, Tangam, how is that journey inside the productivity empire, and talk something about the productivity blueprint.
Yeah. The productivity blueprint that first 5 days you have
Mm.
given us a task which was really connecting to my life also. So it's
Mm.
you made me everything practical, not
Mm.
anything just out of the syllabus kind of thing. So
Mm.
the overall package, which is a 2-on-1 result, the only thing which I learned from you is that you follow the path of the successful people and you
Mm.
can easily achieve that result also. So
Perfect.
the same thing which the blueprint was given to us is like a package which is
Mm-hmm.
completely result oriented, and that
Mm.
result oriented has made me to say be setting of scientific way of setting goals. These
Mm.
things and all, generally we have an idea, okay, I want to become a rich person, I want to become a financial freedom person. These things are all will come in life, but in
Mm.
what way? That
Mm.
ways and means has been given very clear in the blueprint, which I really
Mm.
are really want to give the appreciation to you. Made our
Awesome.
life in a good
Awesome.
thing. And
My pleasure.
yeah, thank you. And this digital smartphone feeding, you have
Mm-hmm.
made this digital smartphone is the, the killer for our all
Awesome.
of our thing.
Yes.
And you made this, you converted the same thing into a feeder for our way of improvement. So
Yes.
even though setting up of my daily routines and
Mm.
like setting up goals reminder and
Mm.
tracking myself and
Mm.
avoiding the phone, actually avoiding the phone also was a good thing which I'm learning from this productivity empire.
Amazing, amazing. You started like you want to be consistent, but inside the community, you're learning a lot. Even
Yeah,
I recently found that smartphone addiction is the biggest problem in the world. Even now,
right,
I'm able to approach that problem is completely different. I'm not saying you to uninstall everything. I'm not saying you to turn off the internet and do the work. No, right? What
yeah,
I'm saying is a completely a brand new journey, and it's completely practical and result oriented, right? Even
right.
now, tell me, before you join the productivity empire, what is the usage of your smartphone? Tell me, after you went through all of my frameworks, what is the usage?
Correct, correct. Actually, it's not a safe for me to explore and tell. If it is a weekends, you take more than 6 to 7 hours.
Yes,
So if it is a
yes,
weekdays, it is minimum 4 hours it is going. I don't know
yes,
how it has gone like this in my
yeah,
life.
yes,
So
yes.
now, based on the program which we are undergoing, I am
Hmm.
controlling myself less than 2 hours. 50% I have reduced my usage time.
Amazing, amazing.
So that is getting a consistent right now.
Awesome. Even
Yeah,
if you save that 2 hours per day, in a week, you will get extra 15 hours, right? You
correct,
focus on quality time with your family. You can focus on learning a new skill. You can focus
correct.
on improving yourself to the next level, right? It
Yeah, yeah,
may be
yeah.
financials, it may be time, it may be your vacation, whatever it is. You,
Yes.
you can see that gap, right? That is
Yeah,
what
yeah.
we are all always wanted from your side.
This I want to tell once again, this digital well-being app which is installed pre-installed in our thing, which I learned from you only. So
Mm.
it is inbuilt in my phone, and also
Hmm.
the number of hours which you have given us in the wake up. I want to link this digital and the wake up barrier.
Wake up, Arya. Mm.
So what happened is that like when I was starting my wake up warrior session, the only input I have fed in my mind is that when you want to get a great output, you have to give a great input of your effort. So
Yes.
the only thing which I have followed is that I have slept at 10 o'clock, and
Mm.
I never watched my mobile phone for the last 2 months after 10 p.m.
Wow.
while I was
Wow.
sleeping. So that is the
Really
one good
amazing.
thing.
Yes.
Consistently for the 2 months, I never watched this mobile phone. So
Awesome.
actually,
Amazing.
that 2-3 hours only has added in the night only, because my son, everybody is slept. Then I start watching the mobile phone. It goes on,
Yes.
it goes on, it goes on up to 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. It will goes on. So
Yes.
this thing has
Now
completely
it's
eliminated.
completely your routine will become high performance. Your
Yes.
routines will become super productive. Now you
Yeah.
see the results the same, right? And I
Correct.
always believe in I learned from my mentor. What he told us, if you really want great output, just observe your input, give the great input. That's it. There is no magic in it, right?
Correct.
I,
Correct.
I learned from him and I'm just passing you as a channel. Now tell me, what are your top three biggest results
Yeah.
using our productivity empire?
Yeah. The one thing is, first one is the wake up warrior journey,
Mm-hmm.
which without any alarms, I'm able to wake up at 5 o'clock daily. Even though if it is a weekends, Sunday also, I feel that whether we will have a little more sleep, if I feel also my wake up routine has made me to wake up at 5 a.m.
Yes. Yes.
So as a goal of one of my goal is to become a fitness guy. So this fitness tracker is also reminding me how much deep sleep
Amazing.
and other things. So this make me, if anything is required for my, if I'm still lower in my sleeping time also
Sleep.
sometimes. So this tracker has made me to have a small power nap sleep also. So
Yes, power
that
naps.
so sometimes power naps are done. That is the one thing which I have carried
Amazing.
out.
That's a
And,
powerful, that is a powerful result, because lot of people, maybe you're watching this video, you have a dream of waking up at 5 a.m., right? If Tangam is a person who is wasting a lot of time on smartphone and completely going out of the routine and, sleeping at maybe 12 p.m., 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. and waking up at, 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Now becoming a 5 a.m. wake up warrior.
Yeah.
How is your feeling after you become a morning person?
Yeah, the first feeling is that I prepare myself in the previous day. So the first thing I am feeding for me only. So I don't first focus on my day's priority or whatever be the eat the frog kind of activity, whatever be the thing. I first prioritize only on me. So be it in a meditation way, be it in an exercise way. So first 45 minutes I'm spending for me. This is I never done in my previous thing. That is what the consistency which I was lagging. I think I watched many kind of fitness related things, but this wake up warrior has given me 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. I'm just giving me as a feeding me in a positive way and in a healthiest way.
Awesome.
When my health is becoming good and good, my wealth is going to come back. There is no no doubt in that. Yeah.
Okay. What is your second result?
Yeah, the second thing is that clarity. That is the one thing what I want to achieve in life. First of all, I was not. We know that we are going to achieve something, but what is the one thing which I really want in my life? That one thing based on our program, it's really one thing which I understood and I have applied for me. So I have find the clarity on my one thing in my life which I want to achieve.
Awesome. So you found that your one purpose, right?
Yeah.
People, even I have seen that even though their age is 40, 45, 55, 60, they're struggling what they are known for, what their life is given for, right? Congratulations, you found your one thing, right?
Thank you.
And what is your third result? What is your third result you achieved using our Productivity Empire?
Yeah, the result which I achieved is that based on the goals, I decided that I want to follow the mentors for my each and every goal. So for the productivity, I have decided I have joined you. So Ramesh Yadav is my productivity expert.
My pleasure. It's my pleasure to serve you. It's my pleasure to serve you.
Yeah, thank you, Ramesh. And for the mentors, I have started blindly following. That is one thing for my each and every goal. So not surfing everything in the internet, and I cannot dust everything and follow everything. I follow for fitness. I have selected one mentor, and for my career related, I have started following one mentor. So one mentor concept is really an input for me. Come on, Ramesh.
For every important goal, you should have one mentor. You are on the track, Tangam. That's what I'm telling you.
Yeah, thank you, Ramesh. That is the three things which is really amazing. I can say the first thing. And as you always say that 10 times the quality of my life also has increased.
Awesome,
so it is not only increasing me, my family members also.
Yes, because as we discussed, even if you make your environment more productive, you can easily become productive, right?
Correct.
And I hope the people who are watching this, you are enjoying this conversation with me and with Tangam. Tangam is, his environment is not that much productive before he joined the Productivity Empire. Now he got the clarity along with the clarity on goals, and he's waking up at 5 a.m. Right, Tangam?
Correct.
Now tell me, what is that one suggestion who is watching this video? That one suggestion for viewers.
Yeah, if it be my brother also. So I have given this same things to my brother, even my senior leaders also in my company. So Tangam, I see something different in you. What happened?
Amazing.
So I explained them. I am just started a journey. So based on the journey, I'm getting a result. So the results are improving my quality of my life, and the time which I spend in my family members also is feeling the results. There is a difference. That
Amazing,
difference is in
amazing,
a positive way. So
amazing.
whomsoever is willing to have a change in life or a little bit come out of the comfort zone should try this kind of journeys and should start
Yes.
implementing. That is the only thing we can recommend to the
Yes.
people.
Yes, amazing, Tangam. You know,
Yeah.
if you're a person who really want to become very productive without procrastination and without wasting your time on shiny objects, smartphone and bad habits, you know, Tangam will become productive. Like Tangam, you can also become very productive. If you're very serious, click the link below, join my next brand new super productive bootcamp where I'll go you a step-by-step system to make you a more productive person in your life ever. And Tangam, final question. Tell me, what is that number one goal you have for your 90 days? Immediate burning goal for you next 90 days.
Yeah, to burn my fat only. So,
Awesome. We'll do it together. Yes, we'll
Yeah.
do it together, and
Yeah.
I'll make you even more fit. Right?
Yeah, sure. I want to tell one more thing about our community.
Yes,
So
please.
it's a mixed kind of team
Yes.
we have in our community. So as we said, our one of our journey member is feeding me in the mentorship also for the fitness. So
Awesome.
we interact then and there. What kind of input we can give me for the fitness
Awesome.
related. So
Awesome.
it's a really encouraging community team we have, and I am really happy to be part of this productivity.
Amazing, amazing. Even
Thank you.
we are very happy to see you in our journey because I attract the right people every single time. Not only you, other 106 members. At the time of this recording this video, we are 107 people. Everyone is productive. Everyone is on fire, right?
Correct.
Thank you, Tangam. You know, thank you. Thanks for your time and
Thank you.
become a productivity warrior. So I will interview you again once you hit a next level result in your life. Thanks for
sure.
your time. Bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.